Welcome back to the channel, and we are on day 16 of our RC Rock Crawler Advent Calendar build. So far, we have got to this point where it's starting to look a bit like a crawler. It's still not completely together yet, but there we are. Right, we are on to day 16. Let me have, oh, it's just at the top there. Oh, it's a nice big one. Let's see. It's a nice big one. Oh, dear Lord. Yeah, please roast me down below in the comments. I do slips like that. I'm sorry. I'm only human. But you are more than welcome to roast me for it. Anyway, day 16. Ooh! And we have an interior. And screws. Nothing else in there? No. Right, so I can already see what's going to happen here. So there is our car. Keep hitting my mic. Our body goes on there, and then our roll cage goes on there. Obviously, not like that. Let's get it built. Come on. Okay, so for this one, with this that clips in there, we got quite a lot of screws, and I'm a bit confused because there's only 4 screw holes, and we got 8 screws. Okay, I'm assuming it screws in from the bottom then. Right, let's have a look. Before we do go any further though, this is the point, if the roll cage is going on, that we need to look at the electrics. So we've got our 2 motor wires, let me just hold it, 2 motor wires there, and then we've got our servo wire just there. So this is all very simple. Servo wire with a red end. I've done it again. Go on, if I say anything stupid like that, please roast me in the comments because it'll give me a good laugh. Anyway, there is your big red end, and it goes to the red opening. Male and female. Anyway, back to the RC car. So it just plugs in there. I'm not sure where this is meant to route because there is nothing with the box that shows you the way the electrics go. And the same with these front and rear motors. There is nothing to say front and rear. So I'm assuming they are quite interchangeable. You just plug them in. And there we are. So that's all the electrics connected. They don't really go down very well. They are a bit loose, but what do you expect? And there's no way of fixing them down. I'm assuming they get fixed down when the body goes on. But anyway, let's get the rest of it built. That's your interior in. There's your 4 screws. That looks all right. Right, let's get it attached to the car. And there we are. That is the interior and the roll cage fitted. Boom. Now it actually looks like a vehicle. There we are. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you're finding this interesting. Granted, it's a day-by-day build, so there's only so much I can do with it. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay amped. Merry Christmas.